a description. Now we saw them all family and togetherness, and in those cases, Okay, we're starting the week off right and gonna make a green detox juice. So first we have kale,
there we go,
collard greens.
Yeah.
Yep, then I know what I'm talking about, guys. Lemon, cucumber, ginger, turmeric, celery, carrots, beets, apple, orange, cayenne pepper, fresh coconut water, apple cider vinegar, and then spinach. This is when you know what you're doing.
You just get good at it, you know?
Lemon, cucumber.
Celery, turmeric. Okay, let's start this first. Catches the turmeric.
Lincoln's mine.
Cheers.
It's so good. Really good. I just ordered a couple basic things from Revolve. Just like good everyday stuff. I forgot how fast they ship things. I literally placed this order, I want to say yesterday, and I got here this morning, which is crazy. I haven't ordered stuff off Revolve in so long. It's been a minute. Okay, first let's start off with this little silk pajama set I got. How adorable are these? Also, this color is amazing. It gives me, I want to say, Blair Waldorf vibes from Gossip Girl, obviously. It also comes with this long sleeve matching top. I really liked how this was long sleeve and then it came with shorts. I feel like it's going to be good and like a little bit better for when it's summertime. But yeah, super, super cute and also so soft. Whoa, really like this. Next thing I got are these jeans. I thought these would be really good for when I go back to school. If I'm going out to dinner with my girlfriends and stuff like that. I don't know if I said this, but they're from xxxx. And they're the 90s jean mid-rise loose fit. They also have this really cool distressing on like around the knee area. So hopefully these work. They're super cute. Also, every time I order jeans, I always make sure I'm home because I'm super tiny and I always have to have my jeans, and I hate doing it when I'm in Indiana. College things, or maybe it's just a me thing. Comment down below if you feel. Okay, next thing I got are another pair of jeans. These are also from xxxx. And these are the same ones as before, the 90s jean mid-rise loose fit, but obviously in this like really pretty light blue wash color. I feel like these have way more distressing than the gray ones for some reason, which I really like. I kind of wish the gray ones had a little bit more. But yeah, these are super cute. I've been really wanting a pair of like more everyday style jeans that are fit like a little bit looser and have distressing like this. So hopefully these work. What else did I get? Oh, I got a pair of or a little week set of undies. Is this weird to show you guys? I don't really know. I don't think so. Yeah, I just got these. I thought they were cute. And yeah. Okay, last couple things I got are actually makeup. I haven't been on Revolve in so long that I didn't even realize they carried beauty now. I feel like they also had like the cooler makeup brands that like Sephora doesn't have and stuff, which I really liked. The first thing I got, I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's from Nude Sticks and it's like a little bronzing blusher stick. This is how it looks. Super pretty. Look at that color. Gorgeous. And then I think on the other side it has a brush. Yeah, little brush to just blend it out. Ooh, that's soft. Next thing I got is this concealer from Kevyn Aucoin. I've heard so many people talk about this. I think I saw this on someone's Vogue Beauty video, I want to say. Also hope I got this in the right shade. I got it in xxxx. I also really like how it comes in this little concealer pot. I feel like it's super cute and also makes applying it a little bit easier. But yeah, that's everything I got. Let me actually go try all the stuff on so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so here's how the first pair of jeans look. Super cute. Again, these are the mid-rise loose fit, so they're meant to have more of like a little bit of an oversized fit and more of like a balloon style to the pant, if that makes sense. But I love these. I love the wash. I love the distressing. I've been wanting a pair like these forever. So yeah, love these. Let's try on the second pair. Okay, this is how the second pair look. I feel like everyone has these ones. They're like the classic A Goldie, like crisscross jean. Is that right? Does that make sense? But I just think they're really, really cute. And again, just like the perfect everyday or like day to night jean. Also, these are meant to be a little looser fitted. A Goldie sizing can be super, super weird. But if any of you guys are wondering, I just got a size 24. And these are still super loose and comfy, but I feel like still flattering. Also, my Zoom just started, so I have to go. Bye. You guys, I just got sent the sweetest package. Amazon Prime sent over this gorgeous bouquet of flowers. The box is also bedazzled. I mean, this is major. Seriously, thank you so, so much to my Amazon Prime fam. Love you guys so much. I'm shook. I can't even deal with this. Actually made my week. Okay, so it's obviously a new day today. Today's Wednesday. It's around, I want to say like 11 o'clock-ish right now. I've actually been up for a little bit now. I've been up since 7 o'clock. I got a workout in this morning. I did a little bit of cardio. And then I had my 2 online Zoom classes. Oh, I also edited a little bit of this vlog as well. I've been really productive. Whoa. But now that I'm done with class, I'm pretty much free for the rest of the day. So I think I'm gonna go grab a little bite to eat with my mom. Let's spend some time with her before I leave for college, which is I think in like a week and a half, something like that. But yeah, just gonna grab a bite to eat, and then maybe do a little shopping after. I asked for my sandwich extra spicy, so they put spicy mama on mine, and my mom asked for it not spicy at all, so she said little spicy baby. That's hilarious. We also got the strawberry lemonade. It looks so bomb. I got the spicy tuna sandwich. I'll show you guys what it looks like. How bomb does that look? I mean, come on. Unreal. It's also on their classic Joe's bread, which is gluten-free, so really good and healthy too. Let's do a little taste test for you guys, even though I already know what it tastes like. So good.
Oh boy.
Boom. I love this. You guys need to try this. Okay, we just got to Center City. I hope you guys can hear me even though I'm wearing a mask. But we are gonna do a little shopping. Okay, we're good. I love you. Content. Kind of cool.
So that would work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try them. How epic are these pants, guys? I also have on this sweater, which is also super cute.
It's like cable knit kind of preppy feel.
Cute. Or these leather ones. How do we feel about this top? Comment down below. Are we here for it? I think it's cute with the shoulder pads. Yeah. Okay, bag secured. Okay, I just got home a little bit ago and ordered myself a salad for dinner. This is from a place called Health Nut. It's really, really good. And this is their Chinese chicken salad. It just has romaine lettuce, chicken, carrots, I think ginger, and then little wontons on the side, and then also this miso dressing, which is really, really good. But yeah, that's dinner. Give it a good shake. That should be good. Okay, just finished editing this video and wanted to just quickly come on here and make a little outro for you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, comment down below if you guys have any video requests for me or just really anything you guys want to see more of. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.